What are the voluntary fasts as recommended by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
As far as voluntary fasts are concerned, besides the days which are Fardh to fast, that's the month of Ramadan, and those days which are prohibited to fast, a Muslim can fast on any other day in the full year. But there are certain days which the Prophet has recommended, where a Muslim, if he fasts, it is much more preferable and he'll get more sawab. First is fasting in the month of Muharram, especially Ashura. Number 2 is fasting on the day of Arafah. Number 3 is fasting during the first 10 days of the month of Dhul Hajj. Number 4, fasting in the month of Shawwal. Number 5 is fasting in the month of Shaban. Number 6 is fasting during the forbidden months, Ashurul Hurum, the forbidden months. Number 7 is fasting on the Ayyamul Bid, that's 3 days in the month, 13th, 14th and 15th of every month. Number 8 is fasting on Mondays and Thursdays. And number 9 is fasting on alternate days of the year. So these are the 9 types of fast which the Prophet had specially recommended.